Ah, behold the unsung hero of our daily hand-washing rituals, the soap dish holder. Picture your soap, not just languishing on the sink, but cradled in a ceramic throne, ready for a foamy symphony with every wash. This holder isn't just practical. It's the unsung maestro orchestrating cleanliness and style in your bathroom. Now, let's talk about the grand performance, the soap's journey from wet to dry. The soap dish holder isn't just a receptacle. It's the choreographer of a ballet, turning the mundane act of placing soap into a graceful routine. Picture it as your soap's personal stage, inviting you to participate in the hand-washing dance. Just place your soap on the dish. A simple move, yet it transforms your daily routine into an interactive and delightful experience. Crafted from high-quality materials, this holder isn't just an accessory, it's a style influencer for your sink space. Think of it as the fashion guru, giving your soap a regal backdrop. Whether it's ceramic, glass, or modern acrylic, each material choice adds a layer of personality to your bathroom. It's not just a holder, it's the trendsetter of your personal hygiene sanctuary. Now, let's dive deeper into the magic of this holder. Imagine a ceramic throne, timeless, elegant, and a symbol of classic charm. Your soap, seated atop this regal ceramic pedestal, becomes the star of a bathroom ball. Or think of a glass holder, modern, transparent, and effortlessly chic. Your soap, almost floating in midair, enjoys the spotlight, and the holder itself is the avant-garde artist in your bathroom gallery. But hold on, we're not done yet. What about acrylic? Sturdy, versatile, and available in a rainbow of colors. Your soap, nestled in this acrylic haven, enjoys a playful setting, and the holder, well, it's the life of the bathroom party. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making your bathroom a place of personality. The soap dish holder doesn't just hold soap, it's your soap stage, inviting you to be an active participant in the daily cleansing performance. It's not a mundane task, it's a sensory delight, and the soap dish holder is the unsung hero turning every hand-washing act into an interactive and stylish affair. So, let's give a round of applause to the soap dish holder, the backstage magician of your bathroom, making cleanliness a performance worth witnessing. That is it for today, guys. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe buttons. See you tomorrow. Cheers.